Understanding It's a Fish Story in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language. It's a fish story. This phrase is not only interesting but also quite vivid in its imagery. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of English expressions, let's get started. The phrase, "It's a fish story," is an idiomatic expression in English. It means a tale or story that is exaggerated or hard to believe. The phrase comes from the old habit of fishermen exaggerating the size of the fish they caught or the one that got away. So, when someone says, "It's a fish story," they imply that the story being told is likely exaggerated or not entirely true. Understanding where an idiom comes from can often help us remember it better. The phrase, "It's a fish story," has its roots in fishing culture. Fishermen, often known for telling tales about their fishing adventures, would sometimes exaggerate the size or struggle involved in catching a fish. This habit led to the creation of this expression, symbolizing stories that are overblown or embellished. Let's look at how to use this phrase in everyday conversation. You might use, "It's a fish story," when you hear something that seems too extraordinary to be true. For example, after hearing an unbelievable tale, you might respond, "That sounds like a fish story to me." Or, when narrating an incident, you might say, "This may sound like a fish story, but it actually happened." It's helpful to know similar expressions in English. Phrases like "tall tale" or "cock and bull story" carry similar meanings. They all refer to stories that are unlikely, exaggerated, or fabricated. And that's a wrap on It's a Fish Story. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of this colorful English expression and you'll feel confident using it in your conversations. Remember, English is full of such vivid expressions, and learning them can be both fun and enriching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.